amigos, sejam bem-vindos. Today I'm going to teach you things that belong to us. Possessive pronouns meu, minha, seu, suas, in Brazilian Portuguese. These words are equivalent to my, mine. Yes, there are 4 variations of my and mine. But don't worry, it's simple that it seems. These words depend on 2 things: gender of the noun which they refer, and whether it's plural or singular. If I refer to something that is mine, that's something that is masculine singular, I will use meu. Repeat after me. Meu. Example. Meu caderno. My notebook. In Portuguese, notebook is caderno. Caderno is a masculine word, so we use meu. Another example, my passport. Meu passaporte. Repeat after me. Meu passaporte, which is also a masculine word. Now let's talk about the plural. Meus. My notebooks are here. Meus cadernos estão aqui. In the plural, we add s. Meus, repeat after me. Meus cadernos estão aqui. Now let's learn the word in the feminine singular and plural. Minha. Minha is used for a feminine singular noun. Minha. Repeat after me. Minha. Example. Minha passagem. My ticket. Minha passagem. The word passagem is feminine, so we use minha. Another example. My bag. Minha bolsa. My bag is here. Minha bolsa está aqui. Now let's learn the plural. Do you remember that I said that in the plural we put the s? So, if the feminine singular is minha, the plural is minhas. Repeat after me. Minhas. Minhas. Example. Minhas férias foram ótimas. My vacation was great. Férias in Portuguese, it's always in the plural. Don't forget that. Now, if instead of my things I want to talk about your things, we will use seu, seus, and sua, and suas. Seu, if it's singular, masculine, and seus, plural, masculine. Sua, feminine, singular, and suas, plural, feminine. Example. Sua viagem, your trip, singular, feminine. Suas viagens, your travels, feminine, plural. Seu nome, your name, singular, masculine. Seus documentos, your documents, plural, masculine. I am sure you already understood, right? Now, so that you can learn, definitely watch this video as many times as necessary and repeat the words as many times as necessary for you to memorize them. And of course, practice. Write your own sentences here in the comments and I will teach you if they are correct or not. Obrigado for watching the classes, and if you like, give your like, share with those who also want to learn, and see you in the next class. Te vejo na próxima aula. If you want to learn more, become a member of my Patreon and you will have access to exclusive classes, a group to answer all your questions, and also homework that I will correct and help you to improve your pronunciation. So become a member of my Patreon and speak Portuguese like a Brazilian.